We will see this problem on isometric. This is third angle projection, and this is top view, this is front view. So in front view we get the height and the length, in top view we get the length and the width. So it is 100, the length is 100, the height is 50, and the width is also 50. So let us start. Draw a horizontal line. So this is 100 at 30 degrees, this is 50, and this is also 50. This is 100, this is 50, and this is also 50. This is 30 degrees as usual, this is also 30 degrees. So complete this box. Like this. So it is 50 by 50 by 100. Let us start from the base. So this is 30. So this is 30, which is straight. So this is dark parallel to this. This is also dark. Then there is a semicircular slot here. So you can find the center line given. So you can find out the center of this, and you can draw the center line parallel to this. So this is the center we have got. The radius is given as 15 r. So on all the sides 15, then 15, 15, and 15. All the four sides. Draw this rhombus parallel to this, parallel to this, parallel to this, and parallel. So these two lines must be parallel to this. These two lines must be parallel to this. So this is the rhombus. Here we got these two angles as 120 degrees. So you can join the midpoint of opposite lines from this. And now it is a semicircle. So the two centers are of only use, this one and this one. So take this center, this much as radius, draw this. Take this as center, this much as radius, you can complete this. So this is what is the semicircle. Now it is throughout its height. You can see this hidden line. So it is throughout its height. So you can bring this downward parallel to this. Now this semicircular slot, it must be here also. We have used these two centers. This won't be visible because it will hide behind this. You can bring this center by 50. This height should be equal to 50. Then take the same as center and you can mark this. So this is what is the semicircular slot. Then the height of this is 20. Here it is given. So this is 20. And there is a Dovettel slot here. So 20 you can leave here. Then the 30 up to this. So this is dark. There is a Dovettel slot given 45 degrees and the height is of 10. So mark this 10. You can draw a line at 10. You can mark this line at 10 parallel to this. So this is 45 degrees. Angle won't change in isometric. So at 45 degrees to this, you can draw this line. 45 degrees to this, you can make it dark. So this is what is the base. Okay. Then there is like this. You can complete this with the angle. So this is what is, so this is 50. So from here draw a line of 50 parallel to this, equal to 50 mm. Then you can join it with this. So this is also 50. Then there is an inclined rib here. So you can find out the midpoint of this. The midpoint of this is already there, and the rib is having the width as 10. So 5 mm on this side and 5 mm on this side. Join 5 mm on this side and 5 mm on join this. So you can join it. Make it dark. Make it dark. And from this point you can draw a line parallel to this. So this is what is the isometric. This line is also dark. This line is dark. This line is dark. Then one small line is left parallel to this from this. So this is what is the complete isometric of the problem number 1, figure number 1, this one. Okay.